What's poppin'? Just, heading over to get my bike before I head out in a few hours to the airport.
So, to speak, yeah, quick to change your mind. And I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance.
Well, I reached my old dorm. Time to grab my bike, maybe get my shirt, and leave.
Soon after.
So I just got the shirt, it's right here. I tried it on, it fits perfectly. And now we're gonna take my bike back to Honors dorm, which is where I'm staying currently. So just to catch you up, I was staying in this dorm, but then in the beginning of April, we got consolidated to a few buildings. So I got lucky and I got moved to Honors. And yeah, ever since then I've been there and I had my bike here, but I'm gonna take it over there because there's a possibility of it being cut off and taken somewhere and sold here. So I'm gonna take it back there since there's gonna be summer classes or people staying over the summer over there, so it's safer there. There's more movement. So yeah, man, this beard and my hair, it's like almost 2 months of not cutting it. This is getting insane. It's my old dorm, man. I miss this. Let's just chill out here, do work, talk to people.
Just steal my plans. Bring me back to life.
And this is shit only you see in movies. Just the COVID-19 era. Just a ghost town and closed signs and well, time to head out.
Don't dig deep like
They're gonna tear this building down.
you would have a clue. All I see is how I was a fool to save my heart. Skip beats, thinking I'm wrong. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong.
Later.
Well, we're back, it's locked. Let's go back and finish packing.
Much later.
Yeah, I could say that you didn't need any part of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me, you should be the one on your knees. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my plans. Bring me back.
Man, I have never seen an airport more empty in my life. This is weird. All the shops are closed. Everything is closed. Just got to my seat. Yeah, it's pretty empty. Just can't wait to get out of here. The less time I'm here, the better it is. So yeah.
Bring me back to life.
As a reminder, the face coverings are required while on board the aircraft for the health and safety of everyone today. We understand that there may be some circumstances where you may need to remove your mask, such as when eating and drinking, if there are small children on board, or if a customer has a medical condition that doesn't allow for the use of a face covering. However, we do ask that you please use face covering as much as possible while you're on a flight today. We also ask that you please, if you use the lavatory, that you wash your hands thoroughly. 20 seconds or singing the happy birthday song twice is usually sufficient for killing most germs. If you have to cough, please use the sleeve of your arm. Do not use your hands. And if you have any trash, you can use the air sickness bag that's in your seat pocket. We are limiting our exposure through the aisle, so do not give us trash unless we have a trash bag.
If we had another chance, I would never let you steal my glance. Bring me back to life.
The next day,
What's up, guys? That flight was pretty good. It's the next day right now. I literally just went home, slept, woke up, ate, and then went back to sleep. And now I just got my luggage. I just left it in the car overnight. I was pretty tired, hungry. So yeah, it's hotter here than it is over there, so I gotta get used to that. But yeah, flight was pretty decent. It was fun enjoying the empty seats around me. Probably never gonna happen again. And it was just a surreal experience going through those empty airports and just having to wear masks, and everybody's wearing masks and sanitizing everything, and I don't know. Even the type of food they were giving out, like they were giving out canned juices instead of pouring it out for you. Little stuff like that just made a big difference overall. But yeah, I'm gonna probably just chill out for today, maybe edit this video or something. Figure out a day where I can either cut my own hair or go to a barber or something, because I can't take this anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Demolish that like button. Don't give it corona though, just demolish it. subscribe, whatever you want to do, comment, everything. Whoa, it's a nice ass. Look at this. Well, guys, it was fun. Catch you later. Peace. Well, it's me again. What's poppin', people? So I was just editing my video and I realized it's June 3rd. Well, I didn't realize, I knew. It's June 3rd. You know what that means? It's my boy AG Films. Well, now Zen Falafel now. His birthday today. Wish you a happy birthday, bro. 20, bro. 2 decades on this fucking planet, I guess. I don't know. So happy birthday, bro. I guess this is some sort of pseudo gift present. I know you, I mean, I assume you like watching my videos, especially since this one is going to be uploaded as a surprise. I haven't told you. Yeah, I hope you had a fun day, and subscribe to him right here. Go check out his videos. I know he's going to be dropping some bangers this summer. Love you, bro. See you guys. Peace.